Hello, welcome to Live Serodex. This is me, George Joseph, with you. Never ever purchase any unnecessary material in your life. Don't purchase anything unnecessary. Always remember, whenever you go for shopping, purchase only what is really necessary, really needed for you. Okay, I am coming to the point, especially to the car accessories. Whenever we go to purchase any car accessories, especially we go to purchase a new car, after that, the salesperson will come to us for the accessories packages. Actually, they won't try to sell us so many car accessories. But the problem is, whenever we are in the good mode, we are purchasing a new car, we commonly all people will think that we need every accessory that will make us more comfortable. But in reality, it's not. Okay, so what I strongly recommend, whenever you buy any car, even if it is in the base model or if it is in the higher model, that doesn't matter. Car companies are making the car in the minimum requirement, and required items, really necessary items, they will add up in every vehicle. Okay, after that, accessories, what we need to purchase is which accessories can solve our problem, right? That is the idea. Whenever you go for accessories, don't purchase any accessories in a bulk model. That will give you trouble, like you will not use after that later on. Always try to find the problem in your car or in your vehicle. What is the problem? Then you search for the solution. Then you can find cheaper option nearby your service center, car dealers, or detailing shop, or online. So many options are there for you. So don't worry about the discounts and original parts or original accessories and all these kind of things. So always try to follow the strictly idea that find your problem or what your need, then get the suitable solution. Like what will be the solution, what is the accessories, then purchase only that. Let me give you an example, simple example. This is my Celerio car. There is no hand rest in this car. So I never seen that any car dealers are offering hand rest in that one. But hand rest is a really helpful thing that we can drive relaxed condition. In the posture will be relaxed. We can rest our hand in the hand rest. It's really comfortable. So after that, I was thinking like I need a hand rest. I went to the accessory shop. There is a different varieties of accessories are there, different type of accessories, different price range. I got one affordable for me, and that's really nice, and I'm using that since 1 year. That is really good for me. Let me show you that. So this is the handrest. This is portable, and you can fix yourself. See, you can store the things inside. You can lift it up, and enough space is there, and I can rest my hand like this, and gear shifting also very easy, and you can rest your hand while you are driving. This accessory is really useful, and nobody recommended to me this kind of accessory, but I was looking for the problem, then I found the solution, and I look for that in the market, and I found it. This is the idea. I strongly recommend to you. This idea you can apply in your every daily life, everywhere. So don't uh, always remember, do not buy any unnecessary things. Always think before you buy anything. Find the problem around you, and find a solution for that one, and get it those things only. So that will save your money, save your time, and that will give you really comfort. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Share with your friends. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.